This recipe makes a personal pie size. To make a regular pie size, you'll need to use 3 times the amount. So in my pot, I have a 1.5 cups of agave syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, which is optional. I'm cooking this over low heat. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes. And while your pie filling is cooking, you want to work on the pie dough. So for the pie dough, I have a 1/2 cup of kamut flour, a 1/2 cup of spelt flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. You can use either or, you don't have to use a combination. You want to go ahead and combine that together and then add in 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of aquafaba until it starts to form into a dough ball. You don't have to use the aquafaba, you can use spring water, but the aquafaba will make your crust a lot flakier. So once you have it combined, go ahead and wrap it in some saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. So while your filling has continued to cook over low heat, after about 30 minutes, you want to add 1 tablespoon of sea moss gel and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Let it cook an additional 30 minutes and then go ahead and stir in your walnuts. To make sure that your filling or your sauce for your pie is ready, you want to go ahead and put it on the back of a spoon. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. And if it firms up a little bit like corn syrup, then it's ready. So I've gone ahead and rolled out my pie dough, and this is what it looks like. And this is also the size of the pie pan that I'll be using. And you can't tell, but it's a small pie pan. So I've gone ahead and put that in there, poked some holes, and pre-baked that on 350 for 15 minutes. Then I added my pie filling, and I baked that on 325 for 50 to 60 minutes. I let it completely cool, and then I put it in the refrigerator and let it cool overnight so that the filling would completely set. And this is what it looks like once I cut a slice out. And there you have it.